Permafrost.
Is ground that is frozen or year-round in
Yeah.
2000.
That's called permafrost. It's a ground frozen, okay, all year round.
A perfectly preserved baby mammal that died 1,000 years ago under death from the person in Siberia, Russia.
If you say unearthed, it means revered, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be seen here, right? There was a kind of just 10,000 years ago. Wow, that's great, okay. Okay, then, keep reading.
Small icebergs are called growlers because they often make a growling sound known as traffic air escapes from the ice. Only 1/8 of an iceberg can be seen. The rest is hidden below the water.
Okay, how much of an iceberg is visible above water? When you say visible means can be seen, okay?
Eagest.
Only about 12.5% stays above the surface, you know? It's visible, stays above the surface.
Yeah.
Where is the most an iceberg located? Where is the most iceberg located?
Most icebergs are located in
Vast majority of an iceberg is submerged underwater. Submerged means, okay, inside. Okay.
the water.
Okay, deep in. What are the small icebergs commonly called? What are small icebergs commonly called?
Small icebergs are commonly called growling because they
Growler.
growlers because they often make growling noise as trapping air escapes from the ice.
Why do small icebergs make a growling noise?
The small icebergs make the growling because they often make a growling noise as trapping air escapes from the ice.
Okay, what is the definition of the permafrost?
The permafrost
Definition means, how do you call that? Tell me about what it is, okay? Definition means to draw a conclusion about that. Refers to the soil or ground that remains frozen throughout the entire year.
We can said permafrost. Ground is the ground that is frozen over.
Where was the baby mammoth found?
Baby mammoths found in Siberia and Russia.
Good job. When was the baby mammoth unearthed?
On Earth, that is just maybe 10,000.
The discovery was made in 2007.
2007.
How long ago is a mammoth thought to have died?
They died.
Scientists believe it died about 100,000 years ago.
Years ago.
Why was the baby mammoth so well preserved? Why well preserved?
It is well preserved
Because of the frozen in permafrost, which act like a natural freezer. Okay, like in a fridge, you know. Does permafrost ever melt in the summer?
No.
No. According to the text, it is frozen all year round, so it doesn't fully thaw. Okay. What sound does a growler make?
The growlers make the growling noise.
Low, rumbling, or growling sound. If you see a small tip of an iceberg, what should you assume?
We should assume
You should assume that there's a massive amount of ice hidden underneath.
yeah.
What kind of environment is Siberia based in the text?
Siberia base in the text. It
Is an extremely cold environment with deeply frozen ground.
deeply frozen ground.
What happened to air inside an iceberg over time? What happened to air inside an iceberg over time?
The trapped air escapes from the ice.
Yeah, as the ice melts or break, the trapped air is released into the atmosphere.
Yeah.
Why is 2007 find significant?
2035 is significant because
It provided perfectly preserved look at creature from 10 million years ago. Okay, from here to here, make it short, tell me the story.
how are icebergs are blocks
Mm-hmm.
and they're ice shells and they're made of freshwater ice
Okay.
that break from glaciers.
Then, keep going.
And also the height, the biggest ice block was almost the height of the 55-story building.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and the polar ice is the ice measure about 4,776 meters. That is almost 10 often in nearby. And also, the permafrost is permafrost is a ground that is frozen all year around. In 2007, a perfectly preserved baby mammal thought have to die in 1,000 years ago. It was uninherited from the permafrost in Serbia and Russia.
Okay, good job.